Try the back side of the rock over here. Okay. Couple casts around the rock. That's something I like to do with a wacky rig, especially fishing river and creeks, is, I mean, no more than 30-40 seconds for working it. Now, some of you may say that's not long enough, and that might be right, but for me, I've just found that if they're not going to hit it in the first 30-40 seconds, they're probably not going to hit it. Now, that's not to say that I haven't caught fish waiting longer than that, but typically, no more than a minute. Just like that guy. Good gracious. Get in here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Okay, there are smallmouth in here. Or excuse me, largemouth. Dude, right there's a chunk. So the wacky rig, huh? Yeah, he swallowed that up pretty good. Gonna have to grab my pliers. First of all, get a good look at him. That's not bad. There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. One last look at that one. That's a good fish. Good largemouth there, buddy. Thank you. One good one on the wacky rig there. Go try this spot out over here next to the rocks. Try not to let him take it so long, so I'll have to do a surgery again. Nice steady little drizzle going right now. Throw it over there in between those rocks. See if we can't find another big one. Got one more piece of structure I'm looking at up here. It's this tree. I'm hoping this lay down up here where the tree's at, it's gonna have fish on it. I might be able to pull one more out. Just about to the point where I gotta call it a day. That's the cast we wanted. Now, is there a fish over there? That's the question. There. Oh man, there was a fish over there for sure. Let's back up. Let's back up. He didn't feel a hook. That's good news. He did not feel the hook. So we might have another shot at it. I can get my reel set up here. Right up against that log. There we go. Something was on it. Still on it. He's on it now. There we go. Another good spotted bass. Right in the top of the mouth. Oh, that is much better. A little football belly there. All right. Whew, that's a chunk. Yes. I believe that's just a little largemouth bass right over there. Next to the structure there. That's where we expected and where we thought it would be at. Absolutely. Thank you. All right. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. Had a good time today fishing this river. Lots of pressure on this river. Like I said before, you know, it's a hard river to catch fish in. The wacky rig definitely produced some good size, some good size largemouth. Definitely had fun with that. And just want to say, I hope you guys have a blessed day and look forward to seeing you on the next one.